Subject, concrete structures. Chapter, design of slabs. Topic, numerical number 2 on two-way slabs. Now let us students solve another numerical on two-way slabs, and this is about the IS 456 provisions, right? And you know that even if I haven't told you that the provisions which are valid for one-way slab, the same provisions are also valid for the two-way slabs also, right? The question is, the minimum and maximum area of longitudinal reinforcement to be provided in a two-way slab of total area as 25 into 1500 mm and Fe 250 and M20 combination is how much, right? So it is a very straightforward question. If you remember the IS 456 provisions, then you can solve it, otherwise you can't solve it, right? So we know that the minimum area to be provided, it is actually equal, because Fe 250 is there, 250, right? That is 0.12% of the total area, that is 25 into 250. And maximum reinforcement is 4%, if you remember, that is 4%. So 4% of 250 into 150, right? So now let us calculate. It will be equal to 0.12 divided by 100 into 250 into 150, and it will be equal to 4 divided by 100 into 250 into 150. So let us say how much, so not 1500, sorry, 1500, right? 1500, right? Okay, now let us see how much the answer is coming. So 0.12 divided by 100 divided by 250 into 1500 comes out to be 250 into 1500, right? Okay, sorry, 0.12 divided by 100, right? Sorry, this is 250, so it is not it is 250, so it will not be 0.12, it will be 0.15, sorry, 0.15. For Fe 450 it is 0.1, right? 0.15, because we have to provide more steel, because that is a weaker, you can say, reinforcement, right? So 0.15 divided by 100 multiplied by 250 and multiplied by 1500, right? It comes out to be nearly 562.5 mm square, right? And the maximum area, it comes out to be nearly 4 by 100 multiplied by 250 multiplied by 1500 comes out to be 1500, right? Is it 15? Yeah. So 15,000 mm square, right? So 15,000, not 1500 mm square. 1500 mm square, right? Okay. So which answer is this, right? So 56.25, right? 56.25. So I guess there is some mistake of point, right? Don't mind that, okay? But the concept should be clear. So the correct answer would be 1, right? So the point would be somewhere here, okay? So I hope that you have got this numerical, how to solve these numericals. Now let us move forward to some other topics. Thank you.